Hey everyone, welcome to this guide on how to turn off active status on Instagram. Let's dive right in. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can view your posts, followers, and other information. Next, locate the three horizontal lines, menu icon, in the top right corner of your profile page. This is where you'll find all the settings and options for your Instagram account. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open a new page with various settings for customizing your Instagram experience. The privacy settings allow you to control who can see your posts, messages, and other activity on Instagram. Under the heading, How others can interact with you, look for Messages and Story Replies, and tap on it. This section controls how people can message you and reply to your stories. Finally, find the option that says Show Activity Status and toggle the switch next to it to turn it off. By doing this, you'll be hiding your active status from others. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.